Replacing the windows in your Rockford home is a significant investment that can improve energy efficiency, curb appeal, and comfort. Whether you've upgraded to stylish new vinyl, wood, or fiberglass windows, proper maintenance is key to ensuring they continue to perform well for years to come. Maintaining your new windows not only preserves their functionality but also extends their lifespan, protecting your investment. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to maintain your new windows after replacement in Rockford to keep them in top condition. Regular cleaning to keep windows clear and bright. One of the simplest and most effective ways to maintain your windows is through regular cleaning. Clean windows not only look great but also allow more natural light into your home, helping to brighten up your living spaces. In Rockford, where the climate can range from hot summers to cold, snowy winters, windows can quickly accumulate dirt, grime, and condensation. To clean your windows, start with a mild detergent mixed with warm water and a soft cloth or sponge. Avoid abrasive materials that could scratch the glass or frames. For the glass, use a squeegee to remove excess water and prevent streaks. Pay attention to the window frames as well, as dust and dirt can accumulate in corners and along the edges. For frames made of vinyl or fiberglass, simply wipe them down with a damp cloth. If you have wooden window frames, be careful not to use excess water, as it could damage the wood. Always dry the wood frames promptly to prevent warping or swelling. Check and maintain window seals. The seals around your windows are critical for maintaining energy efficiency. Damaged or worn seals can lead to air leaks, making it harder to regulate your home's temperature and resulting in higher energy bills. Over time, window seals can degrade due to weather conditions, especially in a place like Rockford, where temperatures fluctuate between hot summers and frigid winters. Inspect the seals of your windows at least twice a year for any cracks, gaps, or signs of wear. If you notice any issues, you can apply caulk or replace the weather stripping around the window frame. If the damage is extensive, it may be best to contact a professional to repair or replace the seal. Properly sealed windows help maintain your home's insulation, improving both comfort and energy savings. Lubricate moving parts for smooth operation. If you've installed windows with moving parts, such as casement or sliding windows, it's important to keep the hinges, locks, and tracks lubricated to ensure smooth operation. Without regular maintenance, these parts can become stiff or stuck, making it difficult to open or close your windows. Use a silicone-based lubricant to lubricate the moving parts, as it doesn't attract dirt or grime like oil-based lubricants. Apply the lubricant to the hinges, tracks, and locks, ensuring they operate smoothly without resistance. For sliding windows, clean the tracks to remove any debris that could prevent the window from sliding easily. If you have wood windows with locks and latches, ensure these parts are also lubricated to prevent rust and keep them working efficiently. Inspect for damage after severe weather. Rockford's weather can be unpredictable, with severe storms and heavy snowfalls occurring throughout the year. After particularly harsh weather, it's important to inspect your windows for any signs of damage. High winds, hail, or heavy snow can sometimes cause cracks in the glass or damage to the frame, which may compromise the window's performance. Check the glass for any cracks or chips, particularly after a storm. If you notice any issues, it's important to address them quickly to prevent the damage from spreading. Cracks can let in drafts, water, and pests, which can lead to further issues. If your window frame is damaged, check for signs of rot, especially in wooden frames, and make necessary repairs to prevent further deterioration. Promptly addressing any damage can save you from costly repairs down the road. Clear window tracks and drain. For sliding or casement windows, maintaining clear tracks and drainage systems is crucial for proper operation. Over time, dirt, leaves, and debris can accumulate in the tracks, preventing the window from opening or closing smoothly. Additionally, clogged drains can lead to water buildup, which can cause mold, mildew, and even water damage. To keep the tracks clear, vacuum them periodically or use a soft brush to remove debris. For windows with drainage systems, check that the holes are not clogged by dirt or debris. Use a small brush or compressed air to clear any blockages and ensure that water can flow freely through the drainage system. This will help prevent water damage and keep your windows functioning properly. Regular inspections to spot early problems. Conducting regular inspections of your windows is an essential part of maintaining their longevity. Check for signs of water damage, such as stains around the window frame or on the wall, which may indicate leaks. Inspect the caulking around the edges of the window for cracks or gaps and replace it as needed. Also, pay attention to any drafts, as they can indicate issues with seals or insulation. By addressing small problems early, you can prevent them from becoming larger, more expensive issues. If you're unsure about the condition of your windows or need professional assistance, don't hesitate to contact a window specialist to perform an in-depth inspection. Protecting your windows during winter. In Rockford, winters can be particularly harsh, with snow, ice, and freezing temperatures. During the winter months, it's important to protect your windows from the elements. Make sure that your windows are properly sealed to prevent cold drafts, and clean them regularly to remove snow or ice that may accumulate on the outside. For windows with wooden frames, ensure that they are properly sealed and maintain a dry environment to prevent moisture from seeping in. You can also apply weather stripping to the bottom of sliding windows to prevent drafts from entering. During particularly cold spells, consider using insulated window coverings to provide an extra layer of protection from the cold. Conclusion. Proper maintenance of your newly replaced windows is essential to ensuring their longevity and efficiency in Rockford's unique climate. By regularly cleaning the glass, checking seals, lubricating moving parts, and inspecting for damage, you can keep your windows in top condition for years to come. Proper care helps maintain your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal while protecting your investment. With these simple maintenance tips, your new windows will continue to provide lasting value and enhance your home's overall performance.